We are finally on our way. We are hitting the we are hitting the trail right now. Corey's driving, we got the GoPros running, and I have no idea what to expect. We're gonna hit the green trails first. Looks like somebody's U-turning. Lead car is U-turning. Everyone's U-turning. All right, so right now we're on the green trail, just trying to get to the other trails, but it's a lot more challenging than I expected for it being a green trail. Oh shit.
I'm gonna hop out here.
That's so sick. Oh my gosh. It's really hard to do this. The car with the highest clearance is stuck. That's Corey's rig. We decided to do something crazy and a rock moved while he was moving and we're stuck. All right, we did it. We sent Corey's rig down this rock hill and we flew the drone. The drone's actually still flying it right now. And we're gonna continue the trail. I'm gonna land this thing and preserve the battery. Oh my god. Okay.
Ready wins the race, baby.
Yeah. Okay, let me. Come on. All right, so we're in the middle of the park, and each Jeep's gonna try a different way up. Which one are you going, Corey? Oh.
Good. Nice and slow, you're gonna come down. Slow. Yeah. A little bit faster.
You're there, it's okay.
More.
Good.
Good. Slow, slow, slow. Another drop. Another drop coming right here. Just right straight.
All right.
That missing headlight bugging me. You know, the worst part about being a cameraman is you don't get to enjoy being in the car when he does things like that.
Say what?
I was like, the worst part about being a cameraman is you don't get to be inside the car when you do shit like stuff like that.
It feels awesome.
Yeah.
It feels great because the car basically just like throws itself up and it's over. You know, you're feeling yourself come back and the car's swinging like on a hinge.
All right.
You know? We're moving.
All right. Team Grand Cherokee. Okay, so during all that excitement, the battery, the memory card got full, so I actually had to pull up the computer and put it on the laptop. But that other GoPro up there, it's got 128 gigs, so it should last. I was thinking it's gonna last a couple hours, and I realized we've been here for a couple hours. So,
sure.
you know, and I'm capturing everything and just gonna edit like maybe 3 minutes of it.
Yeah, so you hold this way,
Uh-huh.
because otherwise it could break your thumbs by just snapping back. If it just jerks this way, you know. So.
Hey Corey, if I put the GoPro on the floor, would you not run over it? Okay. Hold on, Corey, stop. Oh, chill. Nice. You're on 3 wheels. Yep, go up. Oi.
Yeah,
That was not like that.
definitely not like that.
No.
What was not?
Look at his front tires, Sammy. Look how this one's out, way out, and this one's straight up and down. That was not.
Wait. I don't see anything. It looks straight to me.
Look at from here. See, instead of this, it looks like this.
Oh yeah, and then Dad, Dad, this is just right here.
Hey, send one of the kids through. Let them walk through, and we'll find out.
Follow
Bud,
me.
can you get in there and just stand up?
All right, she's up to her neck. She's up to her neck.
Keep that line. Don't move your tires. You're gonna start coming down. Right there.
Woo!
Okay.
One wheeler or 3-wheeler.
You could have made that, Corey. Oh.
Yeah, who's taking me home?
Mountain Mama. Who's got the flat?
He does.
Oh.
I'm just letting my
Yeah,
baby
take a big
cool down.
chunk
That
out
was
of it.
rough.
Oh. That'll buff out.
Emotion.
No,
Drone and a GoPro.
The hijack, this one,
Again?
this
Oh.
one, though.
Yeah.
Because there's this one, and then there's the hijack that mounts in the traction board.
Oh, thank you.
The water breath is evaporating.
Okay, guys. After like 12 hours, we finally made it back. Well, 12 hours. We woke up at 6 o'clock. I woke up at 6 o'clock.
Wait, I'm not sure if I can go around.
Got some footage, and then we went to McDonald's, got some food. We checked in and met Brad up about a little bit after 9, and about 10 or 11. What time did we hit the trail? About 10?
Yeah, probably about that.
Yeah, it was about 10 o'clock we hit the trail, and now we are finally back, and it's like 6 o'clock. So that's like 8 hours on the trail. 8 hours of driving and hanging out, and dang. And we still got three plus hours to get back.
It's like, where's he going?
Where is he going to? Is he doing what I think he's doing? Yeah, look, he's trying to go up with something. It is 10:30 at night and I am exhausted. We just came back from the trip. I dropped off some of my bags, but the thing is I had to take stuff out of my bags and recharge them. I wish I could say I'm gonna wait until tomorrow to recharge them, but it's gonna take several hours for all my batteries to recharge, so I had to put them to my battery charging station, charge my my drone batteries, charge my portable chargers, charge my GoPro batteries, I'm missing one, charge the drone controller. Everything needs a charge. Charge my Panasonic batteries and charge my Panasonic batteries as well. Then I also unloaded all the SD cards from the cameras, and once I've unloaded all the SD cameras, once I've unloaded the SD cards from the cameras, then I can actually go and put them on the computer and edit them and so on and so forth. Guys, it's been several hours. It's been 18 hours. It's been a long freaking day. I'm done.